An incident at the Kuntoji Gram Panchayat office in Muddebihal Taluk, Vijayapura District has led to public outrage after officials failed to lower the national flag at the end of the day. According to reports, the flag was left flying overnight on the Panchayat's flagpole, which violates the Flag Code of India. As per government orders, the national flag must only be flown between 10 am and 5 pm at Gram Panchayat offices. Local residents expressed anger and disappointment, calling the act an insult to the national symbol. The Panchayat Development Officer (PDO), along with other officials, is being blamed for negligence in maintaining proper flag protocol. The public is demanding action against those responsible for the oversight, viewing it as a serious disrespect to the nation.